What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming to another entrepreneur video, some detailing content. Today, I got the homie Gary from
Stay Slick Auto Detail, Fresno,
California. And in today's video, we're in a little rush, Gary?
We're in a rush, man. We're hustling.
What do we gotta do?
We gotta do a maintenance detail on this Discovery, this Land Rover, and just inside and out. It's really not too bad, so I'm not worried about that. But I gotta get it done and get home and take care of some personal stuff.
There you go. So, how fast do you want to finish this?
Hour and a half tops.
Hour and a half. It's 2 p.m. Let's see how long he takes. You ready?
That's it.
Let's go. All right, Gary. We're trying to rush it, or what you thinking?
Not necessarily rush it, but gotta be on my game.
Yeah.
Gotta be on my game. I got no more than 2 hours on this one.
All right. So 2 hours. It's a maintenance. When was the last time you detailed this car?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
So about 3 weeks.
All right.
So as long as they do within a month, they could be on my maintenance plan.
Got it. Do you have a lot of maintenance clients, or do you get more new clients?
I got a lot of maintenance clients. A lot of my clients when I started out was maintenance.
Yeah.
But I do get quite a bit of interiors. That's been the biggest thing lately. So, but my maintenance definitely keeps me afloat.
All right, Gary, so how are you gonna tackle this? Walk me through it real quickly.
Inside first, I'm gonna vacuum while I dust. I'm gonna wipe down, and then I'm gonna do the outside, and then I'm gonna come back and do the finishing touches, the glass, do the cleaning the screens inside, all the finishing touches, tire shine, glass.
Hey, Gary, I'm starting to notice your style. You're kind of prepping a lot of stuff first, right? Well, how do you do it?
I'm getting ready to go, man.
So,
I try to do as much as I can the night before, but
yeah,
you know.
Wait, what do you mean? What could you have done last night?
Well, I guess there's really not anything extra I could do.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, you got to bust the vacuum out. You got to hook up the hose with the tips. I try to keep everything together that I'm going to use on the inside, all the attachments. So I try to do the best I can to prepare ahead of time, have my foam cannon ready to go. Buckets already have soap in them, just need to be foamed up, that kind of thing.
All right, Gary, finish with the inside?
Done, man.
All right, what's next?
I'm going to start with the wheels, spray it down, foam it up, wash it, dry it, door jambs, glass, done.
Pretty quick.
Not bad.
But you're already 30 minutes in.
I know.
You gonna be done by 4?
I think I got it.
It's 2:30 right now.
I think I got it, man.
All right, man, all right.
I think I got it.
How do you pitch your maintenance on a customer? Is it first-time customers, or do you gotta clean the car a few times? What are the requirements to become a maintenance?
Honestly, it depends. If the vehicle is newer and it's in good shape, sometimes I'll just let them get right on the maintenance plan. But to people, usually I need to do at least a mini interior detail, depending on the condition, because I want to get it to the level that I'm going to leave it at and then maintain it from there. So when they get on my maintenance plan, they usually get $10 off per wash. I have to see them at least once a month. They get a spray-on paint sealant once a month. If they get a spot, I have spot removal once a month. Little things like that, I'll take care of them for being on the maintenance plan.
He's in the drip.
So that's the phrase that I'm coining, so don't steal it. No, it's just, you know, a lot of new vehicles, especially these luxury vehicles, hold water in so many different cracks. It doesn't matter what you do. I blew it out with the leaf blower first, and I came back with a Vortex cleaning tool, and it's still dripping. So it's not without effort. It's just some vehicles you gotta chase around the vehicle to get it, see?
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes it just does it. So
what do? You just go over the car a couple times?
What I usually do is I'll do the finishing touches, like worry about knocking down the tire shine, worry about doing the glass, and as it's finally dripping and the last little bit of water is getting out, I'm just hitting it, just cleaning it up. And by the time I'm done, it's usually over. Hey,
Gary, so you've been detailing professionally since September, right?
Yep, not very long.
But how long have you been detailing in general?
Better part of 5 years, probably 5 years.
So my question is, how come you never took it full time?
A lot of self-doubt.
Yeah.
Not knowing that this is actually what I wanted to do. I don't know why I didn't think about it, because it was what I enjoyed to do on my own time. So I guess I just wasn't thinking, honestly, on what the potential was until I had to.
Well, because you had a job, right?
Yep.
You were at for 11 years. And the reason you finally made that jump is because you got let go?
I got let go. They gave me a reason, but I asked for proof for the reason. They still never shown it to me, but it was a blessing in disguise because I never would have started this.
Maybe that's the push you needed?
It is. Yes, I am that type of guy. My wife will tell you that I need to be pushed, and once I am pushed, I usually can come through. You know, that's just me.
All right, Gary, so you've been doing this full time since September.
Yes, sir.
Your packages, how many do you offer?
Well, I don't really mention the maintenance until they're qualified for that. So it'd be one full interior, one full exterior, which really would be the full vehicle. So full interior, full vehicle, and then a wash and wax. I do offer that. And then from there, it usually goes into individual services like polishing packages or ceramic coating packages. And then there's add-ons like, you know, water spot removal, headlight restoration, that kind of stuff. So probably like 4.
Okay. One thing I noticed is a lot of detailers, they may have too many packages. Did you also have a lot of packages, or you always stuck with just these 4 or 5?
I made the mistake of trying to mimic other detailers when I first started. So what happened to me was I changed my packages about 3 times within the first month of being open.
Yeah.
Luckily at the time I didn't have too many customers, so nobody really noticed it, but I was kind of trying to find my way until I just figured out that simpler was better.
Yeah. Hey Gary, so let me ask you, what has been your biggest struggle so far with your business? Where are you at, and where do you want to head to? You know, what's that struggle you're going through right now?
There's personal struggles and then there's business struggles. Just, you know, not every week is consistent. I'm always making a good amount of money, but I'm not nearly making as much as I would like. I'm not getting to as many customers as I would like to. But then again, like I said, I started in September. So I'm trying to keep it realistic, just marketing myself through Instagram and Facebook ads, things like that. So I would say getting to more people and getting every week booked.
Yeah. Hey, but you just start September. Right now it's a slow season for detailers, I noticed.
Still, yep.
So it's only gonna pick up, man. And you said that, what are you mainly doing? Instagram ads, or are you gonna get into those?
So for promotion, I'm doing Instagram ads. I'm also doing the Facebook ads, right? Because they go together.
Has that been working for you?
Not necessarily. Honestly, I've spent a lot more money than I should, but I have gotten a few full details. So on those particular rounds of ads, I made my money back and more.
Okay, okay. All right, Gary, so I see you have this setup, man, looking nice.
I'm trying, man.
But what is your next upgrade? Have you thought about it, or you think you're good right now?
If money wasn't really an issue, I would actually sell the trailer and or add a van. I really want to go the van route.
Yeah.
This takes up 30 to 40 feet, probably closer to 40 feet.
It's long, man.
Long. And my truck gets 12 at best.
12 miles? What about the gas,
What
Gary?
about the gas, man?
Damn, bro.
I calculated it out. Without personal expenses, probably close to 400 or more a month in gas.
And I mean, it's a business expense, but so you think once you get a van, if you get a van, you'll save more money and not take up so many parking spots?
It's hard to say because I'm going to have a payment plus gas. So it's actually going to be a little bit more, but what am I gaining? Less wear and tear on my personal vehicle, not putting in as many miles on that. So, you know, I don't know. I think it's a benefit, but I'd have to weigh it out.
If you sell let's just say you sell the trailer, would you also sell the truck or keep it?
I would keep the truck because we, as a family, we want to keep a truck.
Got it.
I would just sell the trailer and use that to put money down on a van.
No, hey, let's say there's somebody out there who wants to follow you on your journey. Where can they go?
Instagram, Facebook at Stay Slick Auto Detail. I have a YouTube channel just called Stay Slick, and I'm doing probably once a week. I'm trying to get right now detailing content, tips and tricks. I just did an essential chemicals video, so stuff like that to help people out that are detailing.
Hey, I'll put everything in the description below, all right? Go show them some love. All right, guys, there you have it. Gary, hey, you finished, man? Still an hour and a half. You nailed it.
Yeah, an hour 22 exact.
There you go.
Yep.
Now, Gary, let's just say somebody out there who wants to follow your journey. Where can they go?
Instagram, Facebook, at Stay Slick Auto Detail. I have my own YouTube channel. Just Stay Slick is what it's called. Post once a week.
There you go. Once again, I'll put it in the description below. And if you like this detailing content, you want to see more, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.